Most benchtop drill presses found online are glorified toy motors that stall out the moment they touch hardwood. Buy the wrong model and you end up with crooked holes and a useless pile of scrap metal. Are you having trouble finding a reliable and precise drill press for your home workshop? You can breathe a sigh of relief because we have done the heavy lifting for you. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drill press that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the GarveeTech 8-inch drill press. This versatile benchtop tool is perfect for home hobbyists who require precision drilling capabilities in a compact workspace setting. Newcomers to woodworking will find the interface very intuitive, while seasoned makers appreciate the consistent results provided every time. The entire unit features a robust cast iron base that ensures maximum stability during intense drilling operations on wood. Its total height reaches 23 inches, which makes it an ideal fit for smaller garages or crowded basement workshops. Users will enjoy the rack and pinion table adjustment system that allows for smooth vertical positioning with absolute ease today. The powerful induction motor operates at a consistent 5 speeds ranging from 740 up to 3000 RPM. It includes a helpful laser centering guide that projects a sharp red crosshair directly onto your workpiece for perfect accuracy. This machine handles tough hardwoods without stalling because of the high torque output provided by its efficient internal drive. The depth stop gauge allows you to repeat complex drilling tasks with uniform precision across multiple boards during mass projects. We found the spindle travel of 2 inches to be more than adequate for most standard furniture assembly or repairs. It is significantly more compact than the 8-inch model while maintaining a comparable level of drilling power output. The pros include sturdy build quality, reliable 5-speed control, and precise laser alignment. The cons include short power cord and limited vertical clearance. Every woodworker looking to upgrade their home shop setup should consider this reliable option as a long-term investment tool. At number 4, we have the 8-inch benchtop drill press. This compact tool is perfect for hobbyists needing precision drilling in small workshops that lack significant floor space for tools. Users will immediately appreciate the thoughtful engineering, which allows for consistent holes in wood and metal with minimal overall effort. The heavy cast iron base prevents vibration while operating to ensure your projects remain stable during high-speed drilling tasks. It features an adjustable depth stop that allows for consistent hole depths across multiple pieces of stock during repetitive work. The sturdy steel column provides excellent rigidity to maintain vertical alignment throughout the entire stroke of the quill when drilling. A powerful 1/3 horsepower motor delivers sufficient torque to drive drill bits through dense hardwoods without stalling the machine. This benchtop model includes a 5-speed transmission system that ranges from 700 to 3200 RPM. The work table tilts 45 degrees in both directions to accommodate angled drilling tasks that require precise and consistent setups. Testing shows that this press handles intricate wood projects with ease because the quill has 2 inches of total travel. You can rely on this tool for extended work sessions since the motor stays cool even under heavy shop load conditions. The operation is notably quieter than the larger floor-standing models found in most industrial shops or professional woodworking centers. The pros include compact size, solid build, and adjustable speed. The cons include limited capacity and plastic guards. Maintenance is incredibly simple because the simple design allows for quick adjustments of the internal pulleys and the drive belt. At number 3, we have the NovelLife Mini Drill Press. This impressive miniature tool serves as the perfect companion for dedicated hobbyists who require extreme precision for delicate projects. Engineers and jewelry makers will certainly appreciate the specialized design that prioritizes accuracy over large-scale industrial power output capabilities. The entire assembly features a robust aluminum alloy frame which provides excellent stability during intense and prolonged drilling tasks. With dimensions measuring 6 inches by 4 inches by 9 inches, it fits perfectly on any crowded workbench surface. Its compact design ensures that users can easily store the machine away when not in use for specific jobs. The integrated motor offers a variable speed range that reaches up to 7,000 revolutions per minute for versatility. This powerful motor allows for seamless penetration through soft metals plus various types of hardwoods with complete ease. It includes an adjustable depth stop feature which ensures that every single hole drilled maintains the exact same depth. The base plate is equipped with precision slots to facilitate easy mounting of small vises or custom clamping systems. Operating this device reveals a surprisingly smooth drilling action that minimizes vibration for clean and highly accurate final results. Many users report that it functions reliably even when performing repetitive tasks for multiple hours without any noticeable performance lag. This unit is significantly more intuitive to operate than the bulky Proxen TBM 115 bench drill. The pros include sturdy aluminum frame, variable speed motor, and compact desktop footprint. The cons include limited chuck capacity and lack of integrated lighting. At number 2, we have the VEVOR Benchtop Drill Press. This machine is designed for both home hobbyists and professional metalworkers who require consistent drilling accuracy in their workshops. The sturdy unit provides a 12-inch swing distance that accommodates larger workpieces for a wide range of projects. Its robust cast iron construction ensures that the base remains stable and vibration-free during those intense drilling sessions. A powerful 5-ampere motor delivers sufficient torque to penetrate through tough metal or thick wood materials with ease. The device features a versatile tilting worktable that adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees for complex angled drilling tasks. Users can take advantage of the integrated laser guide, which ensures perfectly aligned holes are drilled every single time. Operators will appreciate the clear LED digital display that shows the precise speed during active operation of the press. You can effortlessly adjust the variable speed settings between 580 and 3200 rotations per minute today. This benchtop model includes an advanced heat dissipation system that prevents overheating during those long and demanding work intervals. The box arrives with a comprehensive set of assembly tools and handles to ensure you start working immediately today. This press feels more precise than the entry-level WEN benchtop model because of the enhanced locking mechanism accuracy. The pros include powerful induction motor, integrated laser guide, and variable speed control. The cons include heavy cast construction and significant assembly required. At number 1, we have the JET JDP-17. This impressive machine is designed for professionals who demand maximum precision during their most challenging woodworking and metal fabrication projects. Serious woodworkers will find that this powerhouse unit provides the essential stability required for creating clean holes in tough materials. The massive cast iron base provides a solid foundation that prevents unwanted vibration while you are working on your projects. Its 14 by 19-inch precision ground cast iron work table features twin T-slot grooves for securing your workpieces perfectly. Engineers constructed the main frame using heavy-duty components to ensure it remains reliable over many years of frequent workshop usage. A robust 3/4 horsepower motor powers the Poly-V belt drive system to deliver consistent torque during every single drilling task. The innovative one-handed belt tensioning mechanism allows operators to make rapid speed changes without stopping their workflow for too long. You can utilize the X-Acto laser system to identify the precise drill center quickly before you start any permanent cutting operations. The integrated depth stop allows users to maintain perfect consistency when they need to drill dozens of holes at identical depths. Operators will appreciate the safety key power switch and the large paddle-style button that allows for an immediate emergency shutdown. This drill press performs exceptionally well during long sessions because the cooling system keeps the internal components running very smoothly indeed. It proves itself to be significantly more versatile than the smaller benchtop models found in most entry-level home workshops today. The pros include exceptional accuracy, powerful motor, and rapid speed adjustments. The cons include high floor space requirements and substantial unit weight.